I believe everybody likes to be able to make their photos stand out from the crowd, but how would you like to be able to edit your photos like a professional with just a few easy clicks and without the need for expensive software that takes ages to use? Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back. It's Mark Gossage of bestbonusking.com, and today I want to introduce Photolemur 3. It's the first automatic photo assistant powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and it's the fastest and easiest way to make all of your photos automatically great instantly. It's ridiculously easy to use, and it's so simple to enhance your photos in under 30 seconds with just 3 simple mouse clicks. 1. Load your photos. 2. Let Photolemur do its magic. 3. Define the final look of your photos and export. It's so easy. Did you know that over 3 million photos are uploaded every day? And with numbers like those, it's easy to see why your photos need to be perfect and shine while standing out from the crowd. Photolemur is a one-of-a-kind photo editor that uses AI to automatically enhance your photos, and it comes packed with 12 smart technologies that help it to automatically analyse and adjust your photos so that they look like they've been edited by a professional. And you can use Photolemur to edit your photos for your very own projects or your clients. It works on both PCs and Macs. Make sure that your pictures are going to say more than 1,000 words, because Photolemur can handle all types of photos, from faces and objects to colours, horizons and the sky. It'll also simplify batch image editing, enhancing up to 200 images at a time, and it even works with raw files. It really can enhance your photos to the max, giving you epic results in seconds every time. So let Photolemur take care of all of the complexities and leave you and your customers to enjoy the results. Make sure to leave your competitors wondering what hit them, and check this one out now. This software is ideal for photographers, social media enthusiasts and anyone else that wants to enhance their photos to the max within seconds. See exactly how Photolemur can work its magic for you, auto-magically, and make sure you grab this offer today while it's priced at its lowest early bird sale price, allowing you to own this amazing piece of software for life with just a one-off, low, easy payment. So click on the button below this video and check out all of my super bonuses that are waiting for you in the download area when you purchase your very own copy of Photolemur through my bonus page. See you soon.